Now it's time to put it back together. I wanted to take just a second. Since I have the breaker apart, I removed the flash suppressors so that you could see the contacts. This is a used breaker. It's been operated, and you'll have arcs as you make and break load. I've always been amazed by what the manufacturer rates their contacts for. In other manufacturers, I'll see 1,000 amps. The contact surface will be about the size of my thumbnail. Here you can see in an eyeline panel, there's many contacts. I think they're all in good condition. I found the contact surfaces tight. Now we'll move on to reassembly. All right, I've told you that I like to put these back together in a vertical position. This is the magnetic trip adjustment. There's a pin right here, has a spring on it. Keep this under tension. I find this to be the hardest part for me. So I think when I put them in like this, and then bring this together, the chances of me dropping that spring off are reduced. Let's lay it down. Let's see if we got our steel right. Okay, looks like that spring's in place correctly. So let's put a couple bolts in so that we can stand it up. Okay, we're going to put these two short ones that I took out last. One here, one here. All right, now that we have these two in, we'll go ahead and put these two in right here. That's going to hold the body together. Now I'm going to stand it up on its end. I'm going to put these two nuts in right here. One. Two. Okay, so now we'll put the top on. Top's all the way down. We bring these two screws in, these two machine bolts. We've already installed the nuts. All right, when those two bolts are secure, we're going to lay it down. Bring it around here, just like that. Put a little something underneath it, about right there. Now we can bring this in, and the back plate fits in a groove. Put the bolts in. Now we'll check everything. Right. Make sure our button still works before we put it all together. And it's catching. Okay. Now we'll come in and put our top on. Just like this. Perfect. All right, I'm still learning how to edit. So this video is a combination of many shots. So you can see the breaker's in the closed position, the on position right now. So we're got it all back together, got our lugs fixed, chased all of the lugs. I've got to build a cover here, but we're going to go ahead and operate the breaker a couple times. So let's move it to the trip position. Bring it off. It's open. Now it's closed. Trip it. Bring it off and go to close. Only a Snyder guy is going to know whether we did everything exactly right. You watch the disassembly, the lug repair, the reassembly, the test. We've done DLRO testing for resistance. I believe we have a good used Square D 1000 amp breaker, I-line series, and the Square D number is November Alpha 36 1000. I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Enjoy the rest of the day.